Rich Rising, and welcome back to the Hip Hop Hammock.
Yep, another one bites the dust. Drake lawsuit against UMG has been dismissed. That's right, thrown out. So what happens when a rapper sues his record label in 2025? Drake filed a defamation lawsuit against UMG, claiming that they helped promote Kendrick Lamar's diss track, Not Like Us, which allegedly made false claims about him. But in a surprise turn, the judge has just thrown his case out today. Sheesh. Well, if you don't know, if you've been living up under a rock, back in May 2024, Kendrick Lamar dropped Not Like Us, a diss track that was heated, and it was a back and forth between him and Drake, right? Okay, in that track, Lamar included lines that implied that Drake had an interest in minors, labeling him a certified pedophile, making other serious insinuations as well. Drake alleged that the track also provoked violent rhetoric, incited violence, and damaged his reputation and brand. So in this year, January of 2025, Drake filed a defamation lawsuit in federal court in New York against UMG. Not Kendrick Lamar, but UMG, his record label. He argued that UMG approved, published, and launched a campaign to promote Not Like Us. And even though the allegations in the lyrics were false, he also claimed that the allegations led to attempt break-ins, threats, and forced him to have to take security measures at his home. Okay, UMG immediately pushed back, asking for a dismissal. They argued that the lyrics were protected under the First Amendment and that as rhetoric and hyperbole and opinion, which is true. So UMG defended themselves and they asked the judge to dismiss it months ago. UMG court argument was that the lyrics in Not Like Us is not actionable opinion or rhetoric hyperbole, not a statement or a verified fact. They also pointed out that the diss track is the nature of exaggerated, provocative, and is a part of a long tradition in hip hop. Facts. Treating them as literal truth would also chill artistic expressions. UMG also questioned Drake's ability to treat Kendrick Lamar's line in isolation, arguing that the whole rap battle, multiple songs in exchange, must be read together. Moreover, Drake had earlier publicly opposed treating rap lyrics as literal facts. So in March 2025, UMG formally filed the motion to dismiss. The judge said she would take a look at it, and now here we are on October the 9th, 2025, Judge Janetta Vargas issued her decision, and she sided with UMG. But what exactly led to her dismissal of this case? Judge Vargas held that a reasonable listener in full context of this rap battle would interpret the lyrics as opinion and rhetoric exaggeration, rather than literal statements of fact. She emphasized that the isolation individual lines without considering and surrounding diss tracks, and that the convention of the genre will also be misleading. The works must be read together to understand how the public would perceive them. The court thus found Drake defamation claims failed as a matter of law. The statements were not actual false statements. The judge also dismissed the harassment and the consumer law claims, agreeing that there's no legal basis of proof to sustain them. Jesus Christ. There you go. Drake takes another L. God damn. So Drake could appeal this decision, or he can file a refined claim, but the dismissal is a major legal win for UMG, and the signals that other defamation lawsuit that try to follow suit in what Drake did, you would definitely have an uphill battle. So what do you think of this lawsuit being dismissed? Should tracks be immune, and should artists be held accountable for lyrics that cross certain lines? Hell no. This is hip hop. This is rap battle. Y'all know how it go. Anyway, man, drop your thoughts in the comment and let me know what y'all think about Drake taking another L in his lawsuit against UMG being dismissed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy J Rob at the Hip Hop Hammock. Peace.